What is going on, people of the extranet? Tyler here with Random Automotive, driving the 2022 RAV4, and just wanted to do a quick video to demonstrate the RAV4 and the most Toyota products, the LTA lane tracing assist for the cruise control. So to do that, you want to come down, you know, Toyota got rid of their little stalk down here. You want to make sure that your cruise control is on by pressing the on button there. You will get a radar cruise active there, and then set your desired speed, and it shows up there at the top. Now you can see in front of me there's a car that decides they want to pull out in front of me. So this will adjust the distance between us two. As you can see, the car is speeding up, and now that it's detected that one, it's kind of climaxed off and is decreasing now. Now if I want to get closer to that vehicle, I can press the distance button here, and you can see it goes down to 2 lines and then 1 line. I'm going to do 2 because that seems to be the safe distance. Now the lane tracing assist is not active at the moment. You can see there's 3 little lines at the end of there. It's basically following the car in front of me. So I'm going to allow for a little bit more distance. Actually, it just came on when I did that. See the little 2 blue lines that popped up? That means that basically the car is driving itself now. It's keeping itself centered. Now you do have to hold the steering wheel, and you can feel it tugging every now and then, but if you don't, let me turn this light on up here. I'll show you what happens. Give it just a moment here, and it should fuss at me about holding the steering wheel. No longer detected the vehicle in front. Okay, so if I grab the steering wheel just a little bit, that will go away. Now let's say I don't. Let me show you what happens. It basically just deactivates the entire system and you're driving by yourself. So I'm going to slow down just a little bit here to 50 miles an hour. I'm staying nice and centered without touching the center steering wheel. I get the hold steering wheel notification, and now I'm getting an audible cue, and now I'm heading toward the rumble strip. So basically it just deactivates the system. Now once you get recentered by touching the wheel, it will figure it out. Once it detects both lines, it'll turn blue, and the system's active again. You can see the wheel moving just ever so slightly by itself, and we're going around the curve now, and it's going to figure that out. So that's a basic, real quick demonstration on how the adaptive cruise control and the lane tracing assist works on Toyota products. It's pretty simple.